Hello, representation English level 3. My name is Jorge Losada. I have 25 years old. I study environmental engineering in UNAD University. I train the boxing and practice kickboxing. I like the gym. I go to the gym. These sports help me improve my discipline. I would like to travel or to visit the jungle of Brazil. Um, I want I want to know the difference in fish, animals, wild animals, jaguar as panther, monkeys, and now here's tribus. Then the monument La Gaitana. This monument was built in 1974. The monument on the banks of the Magdalena River on Circumvallar Avenue in the sculpture La Gaitana, which represents the famous indigenous woman who led the defense of their lands against the onslaught of the Spanish conquerors. Elaborate in bronze by the master Rodrigo Arenas Betancourt, is had 30 meters high and 12 meters wide. And the monument is the Paleontological Museum. I would like, or I want to invite the people to visit the monument La Gaitana of the Neiva city, the others monument in the city. Thank you.